Let's figure out how to outsmart those sneaky airline pricing algorithms so you stop overpaying for flights.
You know when prices suddenly jump the minute you click book? Yeah, you're literally fighting complex AI.
Almost 70% of airline revenue systems use AI to dynamically maximize those fares against you.
But we can fight back. To beat their system, you just need an AI travel stack of your own. First up, Predictive AI. These tools act as your personal market analyst, definitively telling you to buy or wait.
Platforms like Hopper process billions of data points daily, predicting price drops with up to 95% accuracy.
Even better, Hopper's price freeze feature lets you lock in that favorable rate for a set window.
Next, AI looks way deeper than traditional search engines to uncover hidden pricing loopholes and alternative routes.
Take skip lagging. AI simulates the savings of booking a flight where your actual destination is the layover city.
You book a cheaper flight to Dallas with an Orlando layover and just hop off in Orlando. Just remember the golden rules here. Bring only a carry-on backpack and never attach your frequent flyer number.
Then there's virtual interlining. AI combines separate one-way tickets from competing non-partner airlines to shatter alliance pricing.
By dynamically shuffling these rival carriers, AI routing engines construct incredibly cheap, multi-stop itineraries for you.
Also, airport arbitrage. AI instantly calculates the time-to-money ratio, weighing median price differences against your extra ground travel. Because AI monitors markets 24/7 without latency, it catches massive price drops and human error mistake fares within minutes.
Now for the real mastermind phase, using agentic AI to execute complex, multi-step conversational searches.
You just give the AI assistant highly specific constraints in natural language like this Tokyo and Seoul prompt.
The AI performs multi-step reasoning, pulling live inventory from plugins like Kayak or Skyscanner to balance your budget.
The secret sauce is deploying strategic prompts, turning large language models into your own virtual pricing analyst. A flexible dates matrix prompt scans the whole month, finding low-demand midweek flights that crush weekend prices.
Or try a hidden fare window prompt. By comparing historical GDS data, premium seats are sometimes discounted 40%.
You can even instruct an AI agent to scrape the web and actively test stackable promo codes at checkout.
Finally, always hide your digital footprint with a VPN to completely bypass location-based price gouging. It is literally machine versus machine out there. Are you ready to build your AI travel stack and win?